To further extend the use of your Smeg toaster, there are several accessories available. Whether you're after a deliciously crisp, soft-centred toasted sandwich or warm rolls and croissants, the Smeg toaster accessory range has you covered. The Smeg toaster racks are available for all sizes of Smeg toasters, both large and small. The unique design allows the perfect browning of the outside of the sandwich whilst maintaining the structure of the bread and filling. Due to the design of the wide and deep slots inside the toaster, a selection of breads and sandwiches can be made, including toasted sandwiches made with hand-cut and artisan breads, through to generously filled wraps and croissants. The aluminium tray on the base of the racks prevents gooey fillings from spilling inside the main body of the toaster, making it simple to clean and maintain. Simply butter the outside of the bread and add your fillings and toast. For best results, select the desired browning level and the defrost button whilst cooking the toasted sandwich. This will ensure a crisp outer but perfectly cooked through centre. For deliciously warm, pillowy rolls, croissants and buns, the Smeg warming rack is perfect. Using the regular heat from the toaster and in combination with an elevated rack, this accessory will remove the need to heat up a large oven and waste energy. Using the heat-resistant handles, the bun warmer can also be used to effectively transfer and serve toast straight to the table. To use, place the warmer on top of the toaster slots and the first browning level to warm your baked goods through. The Smeg Bun Warmer is available for all sizes of Smeg toasters, from the large to the small. Both accessories are made of stainless steel, which makes them highly durable and easy to clean. For best results, hand wash using mild soap and warm water. Gently wipe the stainless steel grills and plastic handles. Dry thoroughly before storing and using again. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.